Imagine seamlessly moving from your laptop in a lecture hall to your tablet on the bus, and then to your phone for a quick review, all your study notes instantly updated and waiting for you. Does that sound like a dream? The simplest and most effective way to sync your study notes across all your devices is by using a cloud-based note-taking application. These applications automatically save and update your notes online, making them accessible from any device with an internet connection and the installed app. This magic happens because these apps utilize cloud storage, a network of remote servers hosted on the internet rather than your local device. When you make a change on one device, the app uploads that change to the cloud. Then, when you open the app on another device, it downloads the latest version, ensuring all your notes are perfectly aligned and up to date without any manual transfer needed. It is like having a constantly synchronized digital brain for your studies. To get started, first choose a reliable cloud note-taking app that suits your needs, such as Evernote, OneNote, Google Keep, or Apple Notes. Next, download and install the app on all the devices you plan to use for studying, including your laptop, tablet, and smartphone. Make sure you sign in with the same account across all devices to enable synchronization. You should also regularly check your settings to confirm automatic syncing is enabled, and consider enabling offline access for studying without an internet connection. A great benefit of many of these platforms is their robust search functions, which can sift through all your notes at lightning speed, even handwritten ones if the app has optical character recognition features. Also, some advanced features include version history, allowing you to revert to previous iterations of your notes if you accidentally delete something important or simply want to review earlier drafts. By adopting a cloud-based note-taking system, you transform your study process into a flexible and efficient operation. This setup guarantees that your valuable study materials are always current, always available, and perfectly organized, empowering you to learn anywhere and anytime with complete confidence.